Vivid Money has quickly established itself as a top choice for savvy spenders looking to maximize their financial benefits. One of the standout features of Vivid Money is its cashback offers, which allow users to earn rewards effortlessly while managing their everyday finances. The platform provides a range of cashback opportunities across multiple categories, including dining, travel, shopping, and subscriptions, making it an attractive option for users who want to get more value from their spending. Vivid Money cashback offers are structured to reward both occasional and frequent users. By linking your card to the platform, every eligible transaction can automatically earn cashback. Some offers are standard, providing a percentage of cashback on all purchases, while others are time-limited or tied to specific merchants. The platform regularly updates these offers, ensuring users have access to new opportunities and seasonal promotions that maximize their rewards. High-value categories such as online shopping and dining out often come with higher cashback percentages, giving users more incentive to plan their spending strategically. Travel-related purchases, including flights, accommodations, and experiences, are also frequently part of Vivid Money's cashback promotions. These offers are particularly beneficial for users who travel regularly, as the accumulated cashback can offset future trips or other expenses. Another appealing aspect is the ease of tracking cashback earnings. Vivid Money's app provides a clear and intuitive interface that displays real-time cashback accumulation, recent transactions, and upcoming offers. Users can monitor their rewards without needing to sift through complex statements or multiple merchant portals. The platform also supports instant cashback redemption, allowing earned rewards to be used directly for future purchases, transferred to a bank account, or invested, depending on the user's preference. For those committed to maximizing returns, Vivid Money also offers tiered rewards through premium plans. These plans increase the percentage of cashback on select categories and expand the list of participating merchants, providing higher earning potential for users who spend strategically. Overall, Vivid Money's cashback offers combined flexibility, transparency, and tangible financial benefits, making them one of the most compelling reasons to use the platform for both everyday transactions and larger planned expenses.